Just
May
hold
puntag mga ka-farmers.
like
Ngayon po is
Like-
tuturuan po tayo paano
This?
mag-drive ng
Okay.
tractor. Yung tractor na yan
I actually
is
have a little
luma
bit
na.
fuel
Yan
in
yung
it now,
pinakalumang
see.
tractor. Unang tractor ng amo
Yeah, that
namin.
one.
Ginagamit yan
Just-
pang
Where are you?
Just do
spray.
like that. Just that.
Malaking tractor po yan. Tinuturuan
Like
po
that?
ako.
Yes, sir.
Tapos,
Alright,
ang
so,
bait na amo ko kasi
so now you
siya
start.
pa yung nag-offer na humawak
boss.
ng phone ko. Yan po yung amo ko.
Yeah.
Magbi-video daw siya.
Hey, you wanna hold it
Bigyan
yourself?
niya daw ako kapag nagdadrive ng tractor. Ayan po. Nung una ako kasi nahihirapan
Sorry.
siya. Ayan po. Pauwi na po kami.
Doing what?
Pauwi na po kami sa bahay.
Can't get you where you at.
You see me just hold that one. Yeah, that one.